Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make money on TikTok with Crayo.ai. So, let's get started. Creating engaging content for platforms like TikTok has never been easier thanks to the wide range of tools available. Whether it's quizzes, motivational videos, or trending TikToks, you've likely seen how creators leverage these tools to stand out. For starters, free tools like ChatGPT are a great entry point for generating ideas and text. However, to unlock advanced features, you might find yourself upgrading to the Plus version, which costs about $20 per month. Managing all these tools separately can be overwhelming and time-consuming. That's where Crayo.ai steps in as an all-in-one solution. This comprehensive platform integrates multiple AI features, voiceovers, image generation, text generation like ChatGPT, and more, into a single, seamless experience. While it's not free, its value lies in simplifying the creative process by housing all essential tools in one place. Here's how it works. Once you log into the dashboard, you can use Crayo.ai's AI tools to generate text, images, or even videos. For example, you could input an article title as your prompt, and the platform will automatically create relevant images and voiceovers. You then have the option to tweak the script and visuals to better suit your vision. Afterward, you can enhance your project by adding background videos, subtitles, and music from a built-in stock library. With everything polished, you can export your final video and upload it directly to TikTok or other social platforms. The process is intuitive, making it accessible even if you're new to content creation. However, while tools like Crayo.ai can streamline your workflow, they can't replace the consistency required for success. TikTok's algorithm favors creators who show up daily, so posting at least one video every day is crucial to building momentum. Successful creators prioritize consistency because it's what separates occasional posters from those who grow their audience and reach. In summary, with the right tools and a disciplined posting schedule, creating professional-grade content is within your grasp. Crayo.ai offers a streamlined way to produce high-quality videos, but it's your commitment to showing up every day that will ultimately set you apart. Crayo.ai caters to diverse content creation needs through 3 flexible subscription plans: Hobby, Clipper, and Pro. Each plan is designed to suit creators at different levels, offering a mix of AI-powered tools and features to enhance productivity and creativity. Whether you're an individual exploring content creation or a professional managing high-volume projects, Crayo.ai has an option tailored to your requirements. The Hobby plan is ideal for casual creators or beginners. Priced at $19 per month, it includes 50 AI-generated videos, 40 minutes of export time, 30 minutes of AI voiceovers, and 100 AI images every month. This plan provides a solid foundation for experimenting with AI-driven tools without committing to a higher investment. For creators seeking more robust capabilities, the Clipper plan offers enhanced resources at $39 per month. Subscribers receive 150 AI videos, 2 hours of export time, 120 minutes of AI voiceovers, and 300 AI images monthly. This plan is well suited for intermediate users looking to scale up their content production with greater flexibility. The Pro plan is designed for professional content creators and teams requiring maximum output. At $79 per month, it delivers 250 AI videos, 3 hours of export time, 180 minutes of AI voiceovers, and 500 AI images each month. With these advanced features, the Pro plan empowers users to handle high-demand projects with ease and efficiency. Across all plans, Crayo.ai provides access to innovative features, including AI workflows for creating fake text videos, Reddit videos, and ChatGPT videos. Additionally, users benefit from powerful AI tools for generating voiceovers, images, and creative ideas, as well as downloaders for YouTube and TikTok content. And that's it for this video. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I found an amazing side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. It pays a lot more than TikTok and can generate a full-time income for you within a couple of years if you stay consistent. Click the link in the description to receive a free ebook with more information.